Yes, thank you. Just- So till where we have discussed, guys? Can anyone say till where we have discussed? Yes, anyone say till where we have discussed? Yes, I think there are no active people in the group, so I can leave the meeting, right? Yes, guys. So can I leave the meeting as there are no active people in the group? Yes, yes, there is only one response. He's the one who is responding every time. So tell me, how can we create an object of string class? Tell me, how can we create an object of string class? Yes, tell me, how can we create an object of string class? Using new keyword and string literal. Yes, yes, that was good. Okay, by using new keyword. Yes, yes. Yep. Yeah. And today we'll be discussing more about the string. Okay. Because the string is a bigger class. Okay. The string is a bigger class where we can use it anywhere in our code so that it will help us in simplifying our code. Okay. So just move towards it and check those methods or more about let's know more about string class. Okay. See, so here so in our string class we can create substrings. Okay, so we can create substrings in string class. Okay, which mean we can create strings from our strings. Okay, which mean we can create strings from our strings. Okay, let's see how it will be done. Just a second. So for this, so for achieving substrings, there is a method called substring. Okay, there is a method called substring in Java. Okay, so what does this method return? Let me just move towards the code. So this is a class, this is a project. Okay, we just created a project for our string class. Okay, let's see how we can perform operations using this substring method. Okay, so let's consider a string s. Okay, it is equals to, let's say, I'm a student of CMRIT college who belongs to CSC branch. Okay, okay, consider this as a string. Okay, so what happened here, sir? So see here something has happened. Okay, just this is a simple method. Something has happened here. We just call it as string concatenation. Okay, adding strings to other strings. Okay, this is called concatenation, adding strings. Okay, we can also say it like, you end this one here. Okay, you can do this like saying, let's see. Okay, I'm done Java's application. See, it gives me the same result. Okay, it gives me the same result. This is called string concatenation, guys. Okay. Oh, sorry. So this is called string concatenation. We call it as string concatenation, which is adding two or more strings. Okay, which is adding two or more strings. We call it as concatenation. Okay. If you remove this, just remove this thing. Okay. So for getting substrings, we'll be using, say, I can store string h is equals to. If I want to store, see, there are two main methods. Okay, one is substring of index. Okay, substring of index. It will start the indexing from there. Okay, it will start indexing from there, which means it will start printing the string from that index. Okay, from that index. If I say index substring index equals to 2, it will start printing from the index number 2. Okay, start printing from the index number 2. Okay, and there is one more method in this substring, which we say substring start index comma end index. Okay, this is another method. Okay, what it does is it will start from the start index and end the string in the end index. Okay, okay, these are two main methods in a substring. Let's just see these, how they perform. If I want a string from here to, I must do this one. Okay, only this part. Let's just count it. Okay, one. See, let me just position them. I'll say 0, 1, space is also included, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, till 31, right? If I say substring of 0, comma 32, okay, which substring? So here we need to mention our string also. So I just wrote substring. So substring of what? He's asking me. Substring of what? Substring of S. Okay. Substring of S. And I'll just print it. SISOH. See it here. See, I got the output. Okay. I got the output of this thing. Okay. Okay. This is one more method. And if I say string is equals to s dot substring of, I'll just start indexing from 6. Okay, and I'll say system dot out p. Okay, control F11. See what I got? See, I got print, my string got printed from the index 6. What is index 6 of my string? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is the space. Okay, from this space my string is getting printed. Okay, is it clear for you? Is it understandable for you guys? Is it understandable for you? Yes, tell me, is it clear for you? Yes, no responses yet. It is not it is not clear. I'll be going to say again. Just tell me, is it clear or not? Yes, sir. Lately one response, which means yes, sir. Okay. Sir, explain once again. Yeah. See, as we discussed before, string is not just a data type. It is also a class. Okay. It is also a class. Okay. What happens with this is our string provides us a lot of methods. Okay. If I open the declaration of the string, see, our string provides us a lot of methods. Okay, which we can use. Okay. In that, one of the method is called substring method. Substring method. What does this substring method does is it takes our existing string. Okay, it takes our existing string and it gives in return of it gives return of our indexed values. Okay, wherever we have mentioned those indexes, it gives another string of those indexed values, which means the letters between those indexed values. Okay, the first thing what I did is I took values from 0 to 32 indexes only, which means this one will be 0 and this one will be 31. Okay, Okay, this is the last one, which is 31. Okay, so it returned me the another string. Okay, of which I stored in another string called h. Okay, so this substring method should know which string we are going to cut. Okay, which string we are going to perform our operation. Okay, substring operation, so that we will mention it with a s dot. Okay, s dot, and these are the two main methods. One will return from our indexes, start index, this is the start index and this is the end index. Okay, one will return the letters between the start index and the letters between the end index. Okay, and the second method is, which is this one. Okay, which is this one. It will start from the index we have given, this will be the start index, and it will go till the end of the string. Okay, it will go till the end of the string. Okay, okay, these are the two methods of a substring. Is it clear right now? Is it clear? Okay, you are welcome. So, tell me, is our string a mutable? Is our string mutable? Can we make changes in our string? Can we make changes in our string? Is our string mutable or not? Not mutable, right? Okay. So what if you want to work with some strings where you want to change the internal data? Where you want to change the internal data? What we should do? What are the options we have? If anyone know, what are the options we have? Do you have any options for this? If I want to change the letters or the words inside a string. Yes, tell me, what are the options we have? Does it provide us any options? Does Java provide us any options? So for making strings mutable, Java provides us with two options. Okay. Okay. The first thing is string buffer. Okay. The second thing is string builder. Okay. These are two mutable strings which Java provides us. Okay. Okay. These are the two mutable classes inside string which Java provides us for modifications or making our strings mutable. Okay. Let's just see how we can work with these. Okay, let me just create a class. Let's see, for creating a string buffer, just see, it should be created in the way as we create our string class. Okay, how we create the string class methods, like buffer sb is equals to new string buffer. Okay, and it takes some constructors. Okay, it takes some constructor values. Okay, here we need to pass some values. Okay, for making a string buffer, we need to make some values. Okay, and that's it. Okay, here we have created a string buffer. Okay, see, we got our output. Okay, this is one class for creating strings which are mutable. Okay, if I say I just forgot, I just said hey, I just forgot to ask how you are. Okay, how you are. So can I add it? Can I add it into it? Yes, we can actually add some other strings to our strings. Okay, in the string buffer, it doesn't change any memory spaces like the previous string class. Okay, it doesn't create any other strings, just changes the SB. Okay, just changes the SB. Just see, for this we'll do, there's a method saying SB dot append. Okay, SB dot append. In this append method, see, we can add boolean, we can add character, we can add characters array. Okay, we can add character sequence, we can add doubles, floats, ints, long, objects, string, string buffer, append character strings. Okay, we can do a lot. Okay, I said app and append and just added. How are you? Okay, how are you? And if I try to print this thing, see what I got. Hey, how are you? Okay, so what is the difference between string and string buffer, sir? You see, I created string g is equals to hey. Okay, okay, and then I created string h is equals to g plus how are you? Okay, okay, and if I say sys o g, what will I get? I just get hey. Okay, I'll just get hey. Here what is happening is we are creating two memory spaces for two strings. Okay, two memory spaces for two strings. If I say H here, then I will get hey, how are you? Okay, okay. So what is the problem with the string is it will create whenever we want to modify the string, it will create one more string. Okay, with that modification. So to overcome this problem, Java developers provided us with string buffers and string builders. Okay, Java developers provided us with string buffers and string builders. Okay, I think you understood the concept. Yes, do you understood the concept? Just give me some response. Do you understood the concept? Do you understood the concept of string buffer and string builder? Basic concept. Yes, sir. 1% just got understood. What about remaining? What about remaining? See who are asking for the execution. Yes. D6, 5D6. Do you have any doubts? 5D6. Do you have any doubts? See, I just ran the code. This is the output. If you are not clear, I will see. See, this is the output. Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay, it's all right. So, after achieving this thing, we'll be seeing much more methods using the string buffers. Okay. And there is one more method saying, I just appended here, right? So there is one more method which says insert. Okay, insert. What it does is it will take the same insert of the parameter. What are the parameters it take is position, position and string. Okay, it takes these two parameters. Okay, here append, what append does is it just takes append and string. Okay, just takes the string. Okay, insert takes a position as well as a string. What it does, sir, means just see if I say um, sb dot insert. Okay, and what should I insert? At the position. At what position should I insert? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say, yeah, fifth from fifth position. I want to say, I want to add some string into it. It is hello. Okay, okay. It will add the string to it. Okay, add the string to this one. Just say and print it. Like we haven't printed it, right? B. See here. So we'll change the position to 4. Yes. See the output here, guys. I just inserted some values inside the string. Okay, I just inserted some values inside in between the string. Okay, okay. After that, we have one more method which says replace. Okay, we have one more method which says replace. Okay, this method takes okay. This method works to replace the letters. Okay, to replace the internal letters. Okay, we'll we'll be giving for this one. We'll say sb dot replace. Okay, replace from where? From fifth index to where? From just say no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From ninth index. Okay, okay. I'll say it as 10, 11. I think 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's good. And I'll say the string. This is cola. Okay, I'll just change it to the string. See the output. We need to print it right every time. Just SB. So where we need to change it from 4. See, it just got converted. Okay, just got converted. Let me just make it 9 so that I can get the explanation. Yeah. See, it just got replaced. Okay, it just got replaced. Okay, okay, and there is one more method called reverse. Okay, which will, what does it does? What does it do? It will, okay, it will return the reverse string. I'll just say SB dot reverse, and it doesn't contain any parameters. Doesn't contain any parameters. And if I say sys SB, I print this on. See, I got the reverse string. Okay, okay, okay. So you can combine those methods. You can combine them also. See, if I say there is a string, just comment this one. I just got a string G H. String H is equals to, if I say um, I say this one, okay, and what I does, I can combine the strings and string buffers. See how I do? Just take this one, okay, just place it here. And I'll say H. With the help of string buffer, I just converted a string to a string buffer. Okay, sys o sb, and this one just return me the string buffer. Okay, of a string H, and I can perform those operations, those crazy operations by converting a string. Let's say sb dot reverse. Okay, sb dot reverse. See what I got. Okay, as strings are unmutable, we are converting a string to string buffer and we are playing with it. Okay, we are playing with it as we want. Okay, and then there is, so you can check, there are a lot of methods for string buffer. Okay, let me just open you the declaration. Let's just see here buffer capacity, okay, which will return the capacity of our string. Okay, so this is a method we have used right now. See, this is the method we have used right now. Okay, let me just show you. There are methods like, Okay, these are all the methods inside a string buffer. Okay, these are all the methods inside a string buffer, and there are much more methods now. These are all the methods that I know, that I use. Okay, and there is one more thing called string builder. Okay, there is one more method called string builder. Okay, you can say it as class. Okay, this is also a mutable string class. Okay, so okay, string builder is also a mutable string class, but it is non-synchronized in nature. String buffer is string synchronized in nature. Okay, so just type it for you here. Okay, synchronization mean, what does the synchronization mean? What is the buffer data? Can anyone say what is the buffer data? You will be having the idea of buffered data. Yes, say me, what is buffered data? Yes, guys, what is buffered data? Yes, buffered data means packets. Just consider them as packets. Okay. Buffering means, so data is getting stored. So in just say, what do you do when you go to a kirana shop or when you go to a grocery shop? You pick items, right? You pick each and every item, right? Yes. So just a second, guys. Okay, when you go to a kirana store, what do? You pick the packets and you store them in your bag, right? You place them in your bag, right? And how do you bring them to your house? You bring them to your house in that bag, right? Yes or no? Yes. So you won't be doing like buying one item and keeping it in the home and coming again, buying another item and taking it back to the home and placing it in the home and coming back and buying another one and coming back to home. You won't be doing that thing, right? You won't be roaming 3 or 4 times, right? Yes. So what does streak buffer do is it will collect the data in packets, okay, or say carry bags. Just consider just for as an example, just say carry bags, okay. We call them as packets, okay. Technically, we call them as packets, okay. So string data is stored in these packets, and then once the buffer gets filled, the data is sent to the memory, okay. Once the buffer gets filled, that data is sent to the memory, okay. Like once the bag gets filled, we'll send it to our home, right? We'll take it to our home, right? Or else we'll be using 2 or 3 bags, right? In the same way, string buffer works, okay. String builder works as non-synchronized data. Works with non-synchronized data. It does the craziest thing, which is taking data, sending it, taking data, sending it, taking data and sending it. Okay. The main difference between string buffer and string builder is this. Okay. Okay. So we can perform all the operations which we have performed in our string buffer in our string builder also. We can replace, we can insert, we can delete, we can check the capacity, we can change the characters. Okay. We can do all the same things. Let's see. Can we or can't we? Okay. Okay. Same here. Just say A. Okay. And I can add saying as B dot app append. Oh, it is working, right? See, it will work. Okay. By change something if you have any doubts. Okay. See, it will work. Okay. Okay, it will work with each and every method we have done with our string builder. Okay. Okay. We can replace, we can insert, okay, we can delete. So for deleting, what we will do is we'll be providing it the sb dot say delete. We'll be providing the characters, okay, from second character to we'll say second character to fifth character. I want to delete. Okay, that's 11. See, just got deleted my letters from second character to fifth character. I'll say it to see, just remove my characters. Okay, just remove my characters. Okay, is it clear about string builder? Yes, is it clear about string builder and string buffer? Yes, responses please. Yes, there are no responses. What happened, guys? Are you not willing to respond, or are you not listening? Just tell me, isn't it clear? Yes. So you are not going to respond, I think. So thank you for your respect. Yes, I am muted because you are muted. Okay, you are not answering, right? You're not also. I don't know. Okay, sure. If you can answer to my questions, I'll unmute myself and I'll go with the class. If not, I'll be doing the same thing as you do. Okay, these are the differences between buffer, and string buffer and string builder. You can read these things. Okay, you can read these things. I'll be sending the notes in the group. Okay, that's it for the day, guys.